Stars is out of the bakal. Pacific in Yanino Yanorian and Senorito Jello. As Sky Full of Stars comes next. Luyang Cave Noyana. Bullet Gray comes next. Body Hassan, Private Thoughts, and Charlotte is racing in last. Yanino Yana, Daang Bakal is running behind Rala. Then racing in third comes Luyang Cave. And in fourth, Senorito Jello running by Rala is a Sky Full of Stars Noyana. Yani No Yana by Waralenga. Daang Bakal in second. Luyang Cave is racing in third. A Sky Full of Stars. And it's still Yani No Yana by about 2 lengths. Daang Bakal still in second. Then here comes Luyang Cave trying to get closer in third. A Sky Full of Stars in fourth alongside this No Yana. Yani No Yana. Daang Bakal. Luyang Cave trying to get closer in third. But it's still Yani No Yana. Daang Bakal now on the outside to take the lead. It's now Daang Bakal running by the Yani No Yana. A Sky Full of Stars also moving up now in third with Daang Bakal by about 2 lengths. Yani No Yana. A Sky Full of Stars now moving up to take second, but it's still Daang Bakal. A Sky Full of Stars on the outside. And finally, it's Daang Bakal. A Sky Full of Stars, Yani No Yana. Then comes Luyang Cave, No Yana, Private Thoughts.
Bayang karerista, para po dito sa ating race number 3, the favorite entry number 5, Daang Bakal po ang ating unofficial winner. Mas sa segundo dito, numero 2 na si A Sky Full of Stars. Tercero, numero 6 na si Yani No Yana. Numero 3, Luyang Cave. Darating din si No Yana, pero kukumpleto para sa inyong